Hi writers, I want to talk about the 2 hours of writing that we're expected or hope to do each day. It's broken up into 3 sections. The first section is approximately a half hour, and it's the stream of consciousness writing exercises that I'm emailing to you every day. It's 6 writing exercises. You can spend about 5 minutes on each one. They're going to help you connect to the primal forces in your story. They're going to invite up all sorts of images, ideas, fragments of dialogue that are going to help lead to the next section of your homework, which I call imagining the world of your story. And all that is, it's just asking questions of your story without imposing any plot. Okay, so it's simply, I'll give you an example. Let's say I start with a premise. Jack and Jill went up the hill. I've just got this image, this idea, Jack and Jill going up the hill. Well, now I want to imagine the world of the story. Why are they going up the hill? How old are they? Is there a fire and they need to get a pail of water to put the fire out? Or is it because they're thirsty? What are Jack and Jill's relationship to each other? Are they brother and sister? Are they in their 80s? Is it a first date? And on and on and on. Imagining the world of your story is just asking questions without imposing any kind of structure. Okay, I just want to start to let my characters live and breathe. Spend about 45 minutes a day doing that. The last 45 minutes are exploring the structured questions. Notice I'm not saying you need to write an outline or do a beat sheet or figure out your plot. These are all sort of intellectual concepts. They're not going to get you to the end of the story. This whole process is about marrying the wildness of your imagination to the rigor of story structure. If we're not doing both of those things simultaneously, we're either going to get trapped in sort of a preconceived idea of our plot, or we're going to write an 800-page novel that has no shape to it. So we're marrying the wildness of our imagination to the rigor of story structure through these 3 separate exercises. Stream of consciousness writing, imagining the world of your story, and lastly, working with the structure questions. I'll talk to you soon.